Hello, sisacela ukuthi nje sithi ukuzotha kancane silalele ukuthi kuthiwani njengamanje samukele umkhwenyana wethu.
Sanibona. Yebo. Hayi ngisenkingeni. Ngoba phela lo muntu ufuna ngikhuluma ngizwe. Tony. With this quote, the family is giving it to you. They are saying you're welcome to the family now. You are part and parcel of this family. You can do as you please. You are our brother now.
Maybe Tony wants to say something.
Hello, everybody. I'm very happy to be here. I can see the way everyone is happy to be. And this is my first time here. And I'm going to tell all my friends they should go and marry to South Africa. Because the way I'm here now, I can see everybody's happy to welcome me. So we are one. So I will not go to the day that I'm married to South Africa. So when I go back home now, all my friends, I say, okay, Nigeria lady, Ghana lady, that's okay, go and try South Africa. Thank you very much.
I'm going to talk about the massacre. I have a belly. Why am I so much of my belly? I'm just looking with the belly. I would not like it, but some idiot. I'm in a hustle. I'm going to go. I'm not going to go. I don't know level. I will know that. I took it as a man. What is nothing? And my name is not money. I'm nothing. I'm not so this girl. I'm bomb shutting. I got a little for less. So let's them something. Even after all my spending a year next year, I'm going to tell you a belly. I guess here. I go to motor and don't look up here. So we need to go with you. If you see this lady, she be natural accountant, financial accountant, emotional accountant. If you never say you want it money, that lady be your money. Seriously, nobody go funny, nobody go call you honey. If she come and say you don't get money, that lady be sweet and sunny. Everything I got me Johnny, you get money. Now financial woman be there. I just plan it to tag or everything we did for the one time. But then they hot on I got a chance to come back. Happen to make a man oh, we tell you, we walk a man with it. Man, I get them up because everybody got beef. I'm living good now, come I got it easy. Get away, I get to better care. You better listen to the man. Listen, I'm not to come and go back there. If I go make on back there. Get that she won't color me. I'm not the boy now, can you say to the thing? I don't want some tight now, I don't make the money. I better not touch the book, I miss you. I should me. Now financial woman be there. Now financial woman be there. Relax. Now financial woman be there. Relax. You see,